Okay, it is December. It's not even December. It's November 19th. Today is November 19th. Okay, Thanksgiving is next week, but you guys I hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving, because that's probably all over. Actually, have a great Christmas. I know it's coming up whenever it is, because it's gonna be probably in between that this video is gonna be uploaded. So I hope you've had some great holidays, or whatever holiday you guys celebrate, Hanukkah and so on. I'm going to New York for the first time in 10 years. I don't remember when the last time I went to New York. I went to New Jersey once and I saw the Statue of Liberty, but I was literally like probably 9 or 10 or younger. I barely remember it. So I'm going for the first time there. I'm going with my school, so like Penn State. My school has like a trip, like I think like 30 of us are gonna go, but like we're gonna go on this bus. So we're gonna go from here all the way to New York City, Times Square. So it's gonna be like a 6 or so hour drive. And then so we're gonna leave at 3 in the morning, like on the dot. We're gonna start heading over there to New York, get there at like around 9 a.m. and then we're gonna spend the entire like 12 hours there. And then we're gonna be heading back over here, back to Penn State, like around 9 p.m. or something like that, and get back here to Penn State at 4 in the morning on Sunday. So I'm pretty excited. This is gonna be like my first little trip that I've ever taken by myself, not with my family. So it's pretty interesting, pretty fun. I don't know, I feel very like, I don't know how to feel about it. So anyways, I'm wearing this dress and this thing, but I'm not even gonna be able to like just wear it because it's December, it's winter, so it's cold, and over there's gonna be like 40-30 degrees. So I'm like Fahrenheit, and I don't do good with cold weather and I get sick super fast. So I'm wearing a little scarf thing for my neck, and then I'm gonna wear like a big puff jacket, and hopefully it's like really cold so that I don't feel hot while I'm walking. We're gonna be walking a lot, so I'm gonna be wearing these boots, these like fuzzy boots that will keep me warm and don't hurt my feet. So hopefully I'm not in pain from walking, because I have problems with my legs and my feet. I have so many problems, like it's crazy. But anyways, I've packed up some stuff, so we're gonna like for the 6-hour like drive there, I'm gonna try and like force myself to sleep the entire drive so that I'm not tired the next day. So I'm gonna try to sleep. I'm thinking on whether I should sleep before I go to the bus, but I don't know. I'm taking like a little pillow, and I'm taking a blanket. The blanket's in the car, and I'm also gonna take a book like on the way back here. Like, I mean, it's gonna be 9, so I'm probably not gonna be tired, but if I'm tired I could fall asleep. But like, and then I'm taking some index cards so that I can like doodle and draw or something for like the bus ride. And we're gonna go on this like 90-minute boat trip to see like the Statue of Liberty and like look around, look at the city and whatever. So I wonder how that's gonna go. I haven't been on a boat in a really long time. So I'm gonna try to record some of it. Okay, I'm not even gonna like talk anymore. But yeah, so this is my trip for New York. Okay. It's finally time. It's 2:15 a.m. My car is frosted. It's so frosted right now. Look at this. It's 28 degrees right now. Hey yo, I got it. It like the space that I need, but like my windows aren't entirely defrosted, but I have to go. I was supposed to be there at 2:45, right? It's 2:35, so I have time, but like still, it's kind of scary. I was like freaking out. Anyways, it's like 28 degrees right now and it's freezing cold. And when we're in New York, we're gonna be like out and about. So I went to go get another jacket. I can't see. Okay. Yes, I went to get another jacket so that I could put it under this big jacket I have on, because I get sick so easily. This scarf was not like helping me out. After a little while, like my throat was like, I'm on my way. Made it to the school, met up with Jamie, got on the bus, and now here we are on our way. So it was a very restless night. The veins on my legs don't let me sleep good because they kept falling asleep. But now this is like 7 a.m. and then we stopped by somewhere and got some trolleys, and this is me just like New York City. I'm gonna record you eating. After that, we went to Pier 83 because that's where the boat trip was gonna be, and we didn't want to be late, and it was like a 24, almost half an hour walk. I walked with my book bag in front of me most of the time just because like I heard that Times Square was like full of pickpocketers, and that's how I had it.
Upstairs and downstairs.
So exciting.
With my fingers on
So sad. JB got gloves. Oh, it's so cute still. I bought a $16 hat.
Yes, that's soft on the inside.
It is soft on the inside. No, we had a little stop too.
Proud, I got it here in one piece. We still got a good view of the city.
Yogi City?
Of the city.
Ah. Yeah, I think so.
Thank you.
We just won't see the water.
Oh well.
Who cares?
It's water.
That's why I'm voting no. Vending tree project around it. It's on two skin line on the left. And this meatpacking business up to her mouth. So you can put it where you like. Top two stores, the duplex at the top, went for $44 million to be the headquarters of Goldman Sachs, financial firm that dated back in 1840. It is known as the dark, never saw. Great symbol of freedom. Today it is. 100 years from that machine on country when she was unveiled in 1980. Well, this wonderful system that we were creating right here in the harbor. I'm going to let you join us. You're seeing the film days what's in New York City last week.
Came downstairs, it's warm. I was cold upstairs.
There's a giant knot.
It's all the wind.
There's a lot of places to dine in this neighborhood. We're going to have in Manhattan on your left, dating from 1830. Here's the Sephora Bridge, 1883. Of course, the center of ChinaTown, where I was on your right, plenty of opportunity for you. James Carousel is back there behind us as well, and right on the floor.
Weird pumpkin. It is. We're looking for a subway station. These like tourists. Tourists don't know where they're going. I don't know. I feel like if I maybe it says H. Okay. Technically, I mean, it could be. Chinatown. We gotta walk for 12 minutes or something. And then, oh my god, it's cold. And then we'll be there.
Cold, it's cold.
It's cold. It's cold. Your catchphrase is it's cold. My hat's falling off. I got a bag for my mom. She got a book bag and a wallet. Okay, back into the subway to Times Square. Times Square? What? Alright, we're getting on A.
Are we?
Yeah, okay. Let's go downstairs. Whoa. Oh, Nelly would love this. My sister. Hat hair.
Red face?
I got 7 seconds. Oh god, oh okay.
Good for you. Yes, marijuana.
Okay, right here we got some space.
France to Italy. Never mind, it was too much. Not on our budget. I just made eye contact with her while she was mid-bite. The rest. Hey, I'm waiting another one. I think we're stuck.
Now this is our budget.
Yes. Floating lanterns.
Finally made it!
Yes. We're tired. We still have 3 more hours here, but we're tired and we want to go home.
I hate New York and I hate the subway.
Your little trees.
Turning around and get you in Times Square.
Oh yeah.
Never mind, we're walking in the opposite direction.
We're on the bus now.
Going home finally.
I didn't record us saying goodbye or anything because everyone just quickly like grabbed their bags and everyone went to the car. I just invited Jamie and I hope you guys enjoyed meeting her and our little trip. I'm gonna eat food now and then I'm gonna go to sleep. It's like 4:15 right now in the morning. It's Sunday. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Bye. Thank you.